Hello everyone. So this time we go on with our derivatives course. Okay. Uh, this time we talk about important derivative rules. We call that power. Why we call it power is definitely is very easy to understand. You can see on the left side fx equals to x to the nth power. It's regarding how to solve the x to the nth power related derivative. So here I already gave you the formula. F derivative of fx equals to move the nth power to the coefficient of x, and then the n will minus 1. Just that easy, just that simple. But it's quite useful because if without this one, if you encounter those kind of things like x to the third power, how do you find their derivative? Based on the formula here, it'll be very hard, right? If n is over 5 power is very hard to do that. So how do we deduce this formula? It's based on the mathematical induction, right? That's the way we prove. So right now I will not do any proof. What I'm supposed to do, I will do some exercises to make you more familiar about these rules, okay, based on different kind of the scenario and example. Okay, first let's look at here. Okay, we have curve, right? Equation here is fx is 2x to the third power plus 4 x squared plus 5. So how do you get the derivative? How do you get the derivative? Okay, so it's doing like what we just learned. So fx derivative equals to, remember 3 go down, 3 times 2 6, then x3 minus 1, so it's 2 plus 2 down, so 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 minus 1 is 1 is same, right? And then 5, if you prime of any kind of constant is 0, right? So this is exactly what we need to get. Yeah, so this is okay. So maybe you are not aware about that. This is the separate. This is a separate rule. When you have a polynomial, they linking together, the plus or minus, you can separate the derivative of them. Okay, I think we discussed that before. Okay. Okay. So let's solve another one. So this one will be different, right? You can see that is in the square root of the fourth root, right? So in fact, the same way. So how do we do that? We first change their form, make it looks easy. Okay, so this is what? 1 over 4, right? Since it's plus, this can be separate, right? This can be separate, right? This can prime. Plus is 2x. 2x what? 2x. 2x. Wait, this, yeah, this one should be like this way, right? I can move to square root of 2 separate. That's no problem, right? Same, right? Okay, so okay, let's see. So what this looks like? Same, huh? Move 1/4 down. So x equals to 1/4 minus 1 is negative 3 over 4 plus what? 1/2 got down, right? So 1/2 then is what? Negative 1 over 2. It's that easy, right? That easy based on the formula that we just learned, right? If we don't have this formula, if you want to, I'll ask you to do the derivative of this function. You were doing a whole day and get a wrong answer, right? So let's see this one. This one is not okay. This one is fraction, right? So I give these 3 examples to provide all the scenario and possibility of the function or the curve. So how do you do that? Same. So this is fx prime. This one we already know is 3x2. This one is what? This one is what? This one is x of the. Am I right? No, this not right. This should be, sorry, huh? This should be, let me erase this one. Okay, this should be what? This should be x negative 3, right? Then prime, right? So let's write again. So 3x squared. Since negative 3 will move down, right? So x negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. So finally we get it. This is the answer. Okay, so today we have a very short and quick session discuss of the rule of the power of the derivative. Okay, please remember this and do some exercises if needed. And let me know if you encounter any kind of question, power rule of a derivative. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.